Hi everybody, it's your girl Brenda here. I just wanted to start this video by saying that I know everybody's going through a tough time right now, and I live in LA and currently everything is shut down. Nothing. No schools, no restaurants, theaters, everything is shut down. So I was just thinking what I could record that would be something nice for the moment to try like get everybody to cheer up. So I decided to do a review and recipe video, and what I chose this time is the newest Jameson release, their Cold Brew whiskey. This is a whiskey inspired liqueur, and the bold coffee flavor is the star of the show, using an infusion of Arabica beans from both Colombia and Brazil. E todo mundo sabe que brasileiro sabe fazer café muito bom. Jameson creates perfect cold brew that happens to taste like a real cold brew. Sweet and then bitter, with a finish that balances dark chocolate with a wash of Irish whiskey. You think you just stumbled upon the perfect corner coffee shop that happens to pour 70 proof cups of cold brew. And you guys can enjoy this a number of ways, and here are two of my favorites. First, you can enjoy it neat, and I went ahead and I chilled the bottle ahead of time. And my second favorite way to enjoy this, it's a very simple recipe. All you need is the whiskey and a little bit of ice cream. You don't have to worry about finding anything. Go to the store right now because everything is crazy. So what I'm gonna do is equal parts, I have a jigger just to measure it, equal parts cold brew. I am filling this to the top. Just fuck it. We're quarantined, isolated, whatever you want to call it. And then my Irish cream, which again, I'm just gonna use equal parts, so I'm filling it up to the top. I'm using a jigger because, well, I have one. Look how pretty that looks. I'm gonna stir it a little bit just so everything blends in together. I also have a round ice cube, but doesn't matter, you can use whatever you have at home. And it looks like this, and it tastes amazing. And I just also wanted to say the glasses that I'm using for this are from the famous whiskey quotes. It's a store at Etsy. They pretty much have every famous whiskey quote, and they put it on this pretty kind of double old-fashioned glasses. So I know everything seems a little out of control right now, but we're gonna get through it, and I really hope that two simple recipes can kind of help you enjoy yourself a little bit while you're like afraid of what's going to happen. It's gonna be done soon, hopefully, and I just wish you guys all the best, and well, I'm gonna enjoy this and get a little drunk. Bye.